Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? Okay, so everyone, am I audible? Can you all hear me? Okay, show me a thumbs up if you all can hear me. And I want all of you to open your cameras. Mariam, your camera is not open. Okay, so as you all know that we are going to do an activity today regarding to our science chapter, which is moving and growing. Before moving towards the activity, let me give you a review about that chapter, what we have studied on last Friday. Okay, so the chapter name is Moving and Growing. All right. Acha, one more thing. Do you all bring the things which I asked you to bring for the activity? Okay, very nice. Very good. How many of you? Okay, I have some more students here. Okay, how many of you don't bring the forks and spoons? Tell me. Okay, what if I ask you people to bring cotton buds instead of these forks and spoons? Do you have cotton buds in your house right now? Do you guys, all of you have cotton buds? Because cotton buds are very easy to cut. Instead of these forks and spoons, they are very hard to cut. Cotton buds are very easy. Okay, everybody, I'm giving you 5 minutes. Go and bring cotton buds. Very nice, Zara. Very nice. Cotton bud, scissor, UHU stick to paste that. If you have a shoe box, very nice. If you don't have a shoe box, just bring any color of computer paper. Very nice, Kasa. Mariam Fatma, where are you? Very nice. Okay. So what we studied on last Friday is about bones. ठीक है, आपका जो skeleton होता है वो आपकी bones से बनता है. ठीक है, your skeleton is made up of bones. We have wait for a while. Okay. So we have 206 bones in our body, all right. But there is one thing which I need to clear is that babies, जो आपके babies होते हैं, they have 300 bones in their body when they born. और जब वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बड़े होते जाते हैं, तो their small bones become together and you know they become a one big bone. and then they have 206 bones. ठीक है, आपके जो छोटे babies होते हैं they have 300 bones in starting, and when they become adult they have 206 bones. all right, उनकी 206 bones कैसे होती हैं? जब बचपन में उनकी जो छोटी bones होती हैं वो join होके जैसे जैसे वो grow करते जाते हैं, जब आप देखें जब एक बेबी छोटा होता है आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जब हम ग्रो करते जाते हैं हमारी फिंगर्स भी लंबी होती हैं, हमारी हाइट भी निकलती है, तो वो जो छोटी बोन्स होती हैं आपकी वो ज्वाइन होके एक बड़ी बोन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. इस तरीके से वो 300 से फिर 206 बोन्स रह जाती हैं. तो एक ह्यूमन स्केलेटन के अंदर कितनी बोन्स होती हैं? बेसिकली 206 बोन्स होती हैं. यस मरियम?
Miss, now what do we do with these materials that we have?
Okay, do you have forks and spoons, or do you have cotton buds?
Cotton buds.
Okay, very nice. You have cotton buds. Now we are going to make a skeleton, and how we are going to make a skeleton, that's I'm going to tell you now. Okay. सबको स्क्रीन दिख रही है? So इस तरीके से हम अपना skeleton बनाने वाले हैं. That's how we are going to make our skeleton. सबको दिख रहा है? ठीक है. Now let's start working. क्या करना है सबने? सबसे पहले जो आपके पास आपके शू बॉक्स है, ठीक है, शू बॉक्स है या कंप्यूटर पेपर्स हैं? मुझे ये बताइए, सबके पास कंप्यूटर पेपर्स हैं या शू बॉक्स हैं? Mariam, do you have a shoe box or a computer paper?
Yes.
Do you have a shoe
Both.
box or computer paper? Both? Acha. What I suggest you guys is that if you have a computer paper, just bring computer paper instead of shoe box, because it is very hard to cut. So just bring a computer paper if you guys have computer paper, or if you guys don't have computer paper, don't worry, we can make it on shoe box as well. Yes, Nurul Hadi?
मिस मेरे पास भी दोनों चीजें हैं.
Who's computer paper? Very nice.
Computer paper.
You have black computer paper. That's very nice. You have black computer paper? If you guys have black computer paper, this is very nice. Very nice, Zara. Use that computer paper. Excellent. Yes, Anaya?
मिस मेरे पास शू बॉक्स है, मेरे पास कंप्यूटर पेपर नहीं.
It's okay. So आपने ना क्या करना है, अपने शू बॉक्स में आपने अपने शू बॉक्स को अच्छी तरीके से कट करना है, और उसका एक जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है ना, बिल्कुल जो आपके शू बॉक्स में बिल्कुल नीचे वाला पार्ट होता है, वो आपने कट करके निकाल लेना है. ठीक है? Anabia? Anabia, what do you have? Do you have a shoe box or a computer paper?
मिस शू बॉक्स.
Okay, Anabia, do you understand what I told you to do with the shoe box? जो आपका बिल्कुल नीचे वाला पार्ट है ना शू बॉक्स का, उसको कट करके निकाल लें, या फिर आप एक काम करें, जो ऊपर का इसका कैप है, आप कैप भी यूज कर सकती हैं. इनाया, यू कैन यूज द ऊपर वाला जो उसका कैप है, वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. Show me. Anabia, show it to me.
मिस साइड्स कट करने हैं.
If you want to cut the
साइड्स कट करने हैं.
if you want to cut the sides, you can cut the sides as well. Those people who have shoe boxes, they can use the cap of the shoe box, just cut the sides of it and use it. And those people who have computer paper, well and good. Okay, Kamrosh, what do you have? Do you have a shoe box or a computer paper? Kabir, wait. Yes, Kamrosh, what do you have? Yes, Kabir.
टीचर, I have shoe box.
Okay, very nice. Kamrosh, use the cap of the shoebox. Yes, Kabir, what do you want to say? Yes, Nurul Hadi.
मिस मेरे पास तो दोनों हैं मैं क्या करूं मेरे पास तो दोनों चीजें कंप्यूटर पेपर भी है वो शू बॉक्स भी है
कंप्यूटर पेपर यूज कर ले. It will be very easy. Use computer papers.
मिस कॉटन बर्ड का तो पता चल गया कॉटन बर्ड से तो चीजें बनानी है मगर फेस का नहीं समझ में आ रहा फेस किससे बनाऊं
Face आप pencil से भी draw कर सकते हैं. If you want to draw it with pencil, you can draw it with pencil as well. If you have another extra computer paper of white color, you can cut the face of it as well. Okay?
पापा एक मिनट व्हाइट कंप्यूटर पेपर दें
Anabia, do you understand what you have to do? Okay, those people who have cotton buds, kindly start your work by cutting cotton buds. Okay, what you have to do, you have to paste a single cotton bud at the center of your computer paper, just like pasted here. इस तरह से यहाँ पे पेस्ट हुआ हुआ है. इस तरीके से आपने सिंगल कॉटन बर्ड को सेंटर में पेस्ट करना है. Then what you have to do, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, आपने 5 कॉटन बर्ड्स को सेंटर में से कट कर लेना है. आपने 5 कॉटन बर्ड्स को सेंटर में से क्या करना है? कट कर देना है. और कट करके आपने इसकी रिब्स बनानी है. जस्ट लाइक हेयर. देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे किस तरह से रिब्स बनी हुई है. यू हैव टू मेक रिब्स लाइक दिस. वेट किसा. यस किसा.
मिस मैं कौन सी कलर का कंप्यूटर पेपर यूज करूं मेरे पास दोनों चीजें हैं
Kisa, if you have a black
Yes, miss.
paper, it will be very good.
मिस I didn't have a black color
Okay.
Yes, miss.
If you have any color of computer paper, use that. Who is this? Yes, Mariam.
Yes, miss.
Miss, I do not have black computer paper, so the white paper won't show on it.
What are you saying, Mariam? Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Miss, I'm saying that I have
Miss.
white paper, so the face of the skeleton won't show on it.
Do you have a white computer paper as well?
Yes. Yes.
Kabir, are you?
Miss.
Kabir, can you see that I am talking to Mariam right now? Can you hear that?
मुझे आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही हल्की हल्की सी आ रही है बिल्कुल
Kabir, am I audible now? Can you hear me?
हल्की हल्की सी आवाज आ रही है मिस हल्की हल्की सी
There must be some problem at your end. Mariam? Yes. Yes, Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Yes, miss.
So I was saying that if you are using a black computer paper, you have a white computer paper as well. If you don't have a white computer paper, use any paper of white color and cut a head of it. Right?
I will use a dark pencil to make the face feature.
You will use what?
Miss, I have dark pencil, so I will use it to trace the facial features.
No, Mariam. Basically, what why I am saying to use a white computer paper because we have to label it as well. जब आप उसको label करोगे ना तो आपको फिर वो दिखेगा नहीं कि आपने उसकी jaw line को किधर label करना और उसके head को किधर label करना. That's why I am saying to use a white paper. आपकी copy में भी तो white paper होता है ना. Use that paper.
Okay.
There is no issue.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, I have this color cotton. Can I use this one?
Yes. You can use it. You can use it.
Okay.
If anybody wants to ask anything, just raise up your hand. I will unmute your mic.
Miss, I have done put in the cotton buds.
Can you show me, Anabia? Anabia, Anabia, you have to make the whole skeleton, which is जो यहाँ पे बना हुआ है ना, आपको ये पूरा skeleton draw करना है ऐसे जैसे यहाँ पे बना हुआ है, ठीक है?
Miss खुद.
Obviously, Anabia.
Miss खुद.
Obviously, Anabia, who will do it then? You have cotton buds, right? आपने cotton buds cut करके बिल्कुल इसी तरीके से paste करने हैं. ओके, किस किस का हो गया है? Who have done? Okay, we have 10 minutes left in ending this session. उसके बाद आपने दोबारा से क्लास ज्वाइन करनी है, okay? Because we have 2 classes today. तो जब ये सेशन आपका एंड हो जाएगा, you have to rejoin the class. Yes, Daniel.
मुझे क्या करना था, क्या लिखना है?
First of all, tell me कि आप क्लास में लेट क्यों आए हैं?
टीचर ड्राइवर थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया।
दानियल, आपको पता नहीं था कि क्लास का टाइम क्या है?
टीचर पता है?
हम स्केलेटन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं जो हमने फ्राइडे को डिस्कस किया था, जिसके लिए आपको कॉटन बड्स चाहिए, एक कंप्यूटर पेपर चाहिए, सीजर चाहिए और एक यूएचयू स्टिक चाहिए टू मेक दिस।
ओके ओके।
Kamrosh, have you done? Very nice, Kamrosh. Very nice. Very good. Excellent.
थैंक यू टीचर।
Excellent work. Yes, Zara.
I have done.
Now, Zara, show it to me. What have you done? Very nice, Zara. Excellent work. Very nice. Wait. Zara, show it to me. Zara, show it to me again. Wait, Zara. Okay, everyone, we have only 6 minutes left. Okay, Mariam, where is Mariam? Very nice, Mariam. Excellent.
थैंक यू।
Okay, listen to me, everyone. जिसने भी अब जिसका skeleton complete हो गया, after this class, kindly take a picture and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. All right? Excellent, Mariam. It's looking very good. We have only 5 minutes left. Try to complete your work in this session so that we can start our English topic in next session. Okay, who has raised their hand? Yes, Daniel.
टीचर ये सब बनाना है पूरा मतलब
Yes, Daniel.
skeleton.
You need cotton buds. You need 2 cotton buds, 1 computer paper, 1 scissor, and 1 USB tube, and then you have to draw a skeleton like this.
Okay, teacher.
Okay? Kamroj, do you want to ask something? Yes, Kamroj, do you want to ask something?
No, teacher. Teacher.
Yes, Anabia. Yes, Anabia, you want to ask something?
Miss, I have done.
Very nice, Anabia. Very nice. Very nice work. Excellent. After this class, take a picture of it and send it to me. All right? Anabia, are you saying something? Okay. Kanza, have you done?
Miss, I'm making.
Okay. Nurul Hadi, have you done? We have only 2 minutes left.